been in some of these embassies before.
Ebyabigambo byaba narebekaho mu kakiiko k'ishengyera k'enshonga z'aheeru y'amahanga ningashi Foreign Affairs Committee kuheereza embarira y'omwaka gw'ebyesente 2023-2024 ngu kandi obwa hati ekitebe kya Uganda omu Rwanda ngu esente za rwent zikongezibwa kuruga ahari $636 kuza ahari $996 ezi gavumenti ya Uganda eremerwe kushashura.
Rwanda is not a cheap city. It's not very cheap in terms of even accommodation and even food. So when they talk about rent, increasing rent from $6,000 to $8,000, depending on the place of abode, I think that is within range of the safe places for ambassadors' residences.
The embassy has been notified by the landlord of the official residence that the rent will be increased from $63,600 per annum to $96,000 effective January 2022. The embassy does not have funds to cater for the rent increments. The mission requested for supplementary funding from Ministry of Finance. However, no response, so I hope we shall not be evicted from the official residence.
Abanyishenjero batangara bwa nyuma yo kushanga ngo ambassador wa Uganda ariyo naenda kubinga omunje yarukoraramu ahabwo kongezwa kwa sente kutandika no kwezi ko kubanza mu mwaka gw'2022 ngo kandi no kushaba kwabo kufuna sente kurwo mu government nako nukuremesubwa bebye sente
okusanga ba ambassador nibenda no kubabinga mu maju no sanga ba ambassador tebaina sente zokoza kumanyisa tugenda basasura sente misara no kusasura ebyombeko bibakoleramu bati batayina kibakora.
Aba basha bakatika ko kubayamba bakatunga sente zo kubiho mu kushwara hamwe no kombeka enju ya Uganda mu Rwanda bakahono kupangisa.
What kind of diplomatic embarrassment is this? Must we continue like this? Ministry of Finance must understand the docket of foreign missions and their foreign affairs.
Abandi banyishenjero bashaba embassy kugumana bakora endagano naba bari kubapangisa okurebeka ngo cyo kugumana babongeza rent ubwira bwashesha cyarekeraho.
Embassy zaba zitatungire ebishemereire nikimanyisa ngo ekishani kibi nicyore ko muhanga gbakuba barumu kandi kikuretera ihanga ry'itu rya Uganda ryagira representation imbi omuyangiro kubaririyo
hati nibayino bombeka ahipepo nizikuza kushikira bakazisiga erangi bakazongeramo amani then bakazohereza omu muhanda gwa pipeline bariyo nibombeka nguto
gasha kwa Jime Mhumza.